Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the prompt-to-video feature, which is the main and most popular tool in Vidalgo. It's super simple and allows you to create amazing videos quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, make sure you've selected the correct feature. At the top left of the interface, you'll see three options: Prompt to Video, Article to Video, and Own Script to Video. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Prompt to Video, so be sure to select that. Now, the key to this feature is the prompt. This is where you'll enter your idea for the video. The more detailed you are, the better your results will be. For example, if you want to showcase a modern kitchen, you could write something like, "Create a video showcasing a minimalist kitchen with clean lines and natural lighting." Or if you're promoting an app, you might write, "An energetic video introducing a new fitness app with bold text and upbeat music." Once your prompt is ready, it's time to customize the other options. The first thing we'll do is choose the language. Vidalgo offers around 10 different languages to choose from, which is great if you're targeting a specific audience. For this demo, I'll go with English. Next, let's select the music. There's a wide variety available to set the tone of your video. For example, if you want something powerful and dramatic, you can choose the track called Epic. Now let's move on to the image style. Vidalgo offers multiple options here. If you select photography, you'll get a mix of real video clips, real photos, and some AI-generated images. On the other hand, the other styles are entirely AI-generated. For this demo, I'll choose photography for a combination of real visuals and creativity. After that, it's time to pick the voice for the narration. There are plenty of options, from soft and professional to dynamic and energetic. For this video, I'll use the voice called James. Now let's adjust the script style. This determines the tone of the text generated by Vidalgo. For example, you can choose something like Talk and Shop for a conversational tone, or Statistics for a more formal style. Next, we'll click on the little gear icon to access some advanced settings. Here we can customize the subtitles. I'll keep the default style called Hormozy. You can also add an overlay to make your video stand out. For this demo, I'll choose Fire for a bold, eye-catching effect. Finally, under Preferences, there's an option to create videos longer than 1 minute, which is only available with the Creator plan. You can also disable visual transitions if you prefer a smoother flow. Once everything is set, we're ready to generate the video. Just click Generate Video and the app will start creating it for you. This process takes a minute or two, and you can step away or keep working on other tasks while it's processing. When your video is ready, it will appear in the projects section below. From there, you can download it directly to your computer or leave it saved in your account for future use. And that's it. With Prompt to Video, creating custom videos is fast, easy, and incredibly flexible. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment or join our Discord community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.